Christmas is a time of wonder, magic, and heartwarming traditions. And what better way to celebrate than with timeless Christmas stories? Imagine your little ones drifting into a world of festive adventures, where Christmas trees come to life, angels watch over shepherds, and the holiday spirit brings joy to every heart. Christmas Stories for Children is a special collection of heartwarming tales that will fill your home with festive cheer. Step into Fezziwig's lively Christmas warehouse. Experience the magic of Hans Christian Andersen's Fir-Tree. Follow the shepherds as they witness a Christmas miracle. Join a little girl on her unforgettable Christmas journey. Celebrate a holiday matinee filled with joy and surprises. Make this Christmas extra special with stories that bring families together and spark the imagination of young minds. Don't miss out. Grab your copy of Christmas Stories for Children now and create magical holiday memories. Click the link below before Christmas Eve.
Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button, subscribe and share with friends.